So you're here because you want to learn how to build a garden. You know, when we set out to do this, it was because we wanted to make sure that my daughter understood a little bit of chores at a young age and that she had a healthy snack when she came home from school. But starting a garden is a lot harder than you may think. You know, we had this lawn and we had to dig it all out, and man, was this really, really tough. And at the end of the day, we realized that, man, digging this out would take forever. But we wanted to start the process this way to simply show my daughter how hard it actually is to do something and accomplish a task. And lo and behold, we started and got really, really tired, and we decided to go to the store and rent one of these bad boys. This right here is a sod cutter. This sod cutter was a hero for us, and man, did it make it a lot easier. So after a little bit of time fooling around with it, we figured it out, and we put it right down in that line and started cutting out this sod. And man, did that make a world of difference. And then we took the sod and we purposed it in the front of the lawn where we had a tree at one point, and we filled that area in. So here you see me digging this or cutting this sod, and then you have to roll it up and you have to cut it into strips and make it a little bit easier. But eventually all the sod was gone, and it gave us this beautiful canvas to build the garden. And as we go in, you'll see me struggling, pulling this strands up and the sod and really getting after it. But that's what it takes to build a garden. It's not as easy as one may think. And then we had to move the hostas that were over there against the fence line and bring in topsoil and till it into the soil to actually amend some of the clay here. Just wanted to show everybody our garden. So these two rows are tomatoes. We eat tons and tons and tons of tomatoes, love them. Up front we have Roma tomatoes, we have grape tomatoes. The first 6 plants right here are sun sweet, sugar sweet, and then down here we have old heirloom tomato, a pineapple tomato, and then these are pink brandy tomatoes. This is something I made, a contraption I made a long time ago. So you have this board up here. We can hang stuff up here or whatnot if we wanted to, but they will just kind of go, and you just train them to kind of weave in and out of these, and it keeps them totally upright. Just made it out of some string and some 2x4s. And then over here, this is just like panel gating, you know, for like cattle or something like that. And I zip tied them to these beams. And so this is regular cucumbers, and over there are pickling cucumbers. And then we have like jalapeno peppers and then bell peppers. We make a lot of fajitas, a lot of Mexican food, so we use a lot of bell peppers, a lot of jalapeno peppers, and we love to eat cucumbers in the summertime. This is gonna be absolutely fantastic. Maddie absolutely loves tomatoes, so can't wait to teach her how to garden, how to make sure the weeds stay out of the bed, give her a little bit of responsibility even though she's only 3 years old. Then when she gets home after school and wants a snack, she can come out here and pick any of these little small grape tomatoes. These sugar sweet are the same size as grape tomatoes. They just are a little sweeter. I like them more. And then in here, we're going to fill this in a little bit more. We're going to put a couple stepping stones right here. We're going to put a lot of pollinator plants and bushes and stuff in this area. And then later this week, this whole thing, well, the whole property is going to get mulched. So this will look super nice. And we're going to mulch the back and down each edge and such like that. Man, this is going to be killer. First year with the garden in our backyard. So